Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a truckerized tune-up report for RC and Lady RC in Louisiana on this Ranger RCI 69 base. RC, we got you and Lady RC ready to go. Full truckerized tune, ultra bright white LEDs, tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, filter upgrades, changed out some caps in the actual power supply itself for stability. Wideband transmit, wideband receive. If you end up running this radio, hook up some nice speakers to it, you're going to notice that wideband audio rumbling through there with some of them hi-fi stations. So let's just get right to it here. We're going to start with your RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. We get you set just a hair under 2 watts so you get full adjustability. Right at 15 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 44 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP, that equates to hello at 92 peak. Alright, it's ready to come to you there. Hope you enjoy your truckerized radio from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.